In today's tutorial, we are going to see looping statements, a very important topic in programming. So basically, a looping statement, it allows you to repeatedly execute a statement or a block of statement until a certain condition is met. There are many looping statements starting from the for loop, then comes the while loop or the do while loop. The for and while loop, they share something in common, like they check the condition before executing the body of the loop, while the do while loop, it first executes the body at least once and then it checks the condition. So let's suppose we have to write a program that prints numbers from 1 up to 100. So we could write output statements like print 1, print 2 up to 100, but we could have a program with a lot of lines, with many lines, or a large program. So the easiest way of doing it is using a loop. So let's start with the for loop. The for loop is like this. First we need to set the counter variable, like int I equals to 0. So here we are declaring and initializing the counter variable. Next we need to specify the condition. So we want to print from 0 up to 100. So I should be less or equal to let's say 100. So it will print from 0, 1, 2 up to, while I is less than or equals to 100, it will print all the numbers. So next we include any increment or decrement statement for the counter. So that may be I++. So after printing 0, it should increment so that the next time it prints 1. After 1, it should increment so that the next one it prints 2, and so on. So after this we include the statements within the body of the loop. In this case, we simply want the numbers to be printed. So system.out print I. So it will print the numbers. It will print the number at I. So the initialization part is executed only at the beginning of the loop. After the number, after I is initialized, it no longer executes that statement. So it will go like this. It will check the condition. I is less than or equals to 100. Yes, so it will come and execute this statement. After that it will increment. It will come again. It will check the condition. It will execute this statement, and so on. So let's execute and see what the output will get. So as you can see here, we have 100. We have it print all the numbers from 0 up to 100. Let's suppose let's change, we want only 10 numbers. So let's execute. So here we have all from 0 to up to 10, and we may include more statements within the body of the loop, like system.out. Let's print a hello world message. And let's execute. So here we have it, 0 hello world, 1 hello world, and so on. So this is basically how the for statement works. Next we will see the while and the do while loop.